In this video tutorial, you will learn the key things you need to know to get started with Compass Bridge, our contact center app. We're going to discuss 3 topics: what is wrap-up time and how does it work? What is cherry picking and how does it work? What is listen in and how does it work? What is wrap-up time functionality? In Bridge, there is a configurable wrap-up feature that allows for a short break after each call. If an agent is getting a call from a queue, after hanging up but they want to have time to process the call, they can enable the amount of time in which to not receive upcoming calls and be put into busy mode. When enabled, the wrap-up timer is automatically triggered after hanging up a call and will be ended after a present time. An agent can also actively choose to break out of wrap-up and take calls earlier. How does it work? When you get a call, you click on the green headphone and you're in the call. Once you click on the red headphone to end the call, if a specific wrap-up time is set, a wrap-up countdown timer appears in the top right corner to indicate the time left before your status is set to available again. Wrap-up will end automatically and your status will be set to available again. A wrap-up countdown timer in the top right corner will indicate when wrap-up time ends automatically. If no time is set, once you click on the red headphone to end the call, to end wrap-up manually and start receiving calls again, click on the wrap-up indicator. This is called breaking out of wrap-up time. What is cherry picking functionality? Queue call pickup, or in other words cherry picking, is a Bridge feature with which is possible to pick up any waiting call from a queue, even if that call is not first in line. You don't need to be an agent in the queue you pick from. Having the right technology in order to successfully reduce queue times is the ultimate goal to help improve customer service. How does it work? To cherry pick a queue call, do the following. Go to the queues view to see all the queues for your organization. In Agent View, queues are on the main view. In Receptionist View, press the queues icon. Click on the name of the queue you want to cherry pick from. The queue details appear. Click on the Colors tab. A list of all waiting callers appears. Click on the phone icon to the right of your waiting caller to answer that particular queue call. What is listen in functionality? With Bridge, supervisors can easily see and listen in on their agents' calls. With one click, a supervisor is able to join an active conversation while being muted. In turn, the agent is notified when their active call is being listened in to and by whom. To be able to listen in on conversations, a supervisor needs to have company change permissions and have listen-in API enabled in Bridge. How does it work? To listen in on an ongoing call, do the following. First, go to the Context view. Click on the name of the agent you want to listen in on. The details for the agent you clicked appear. Now click on the Calls tab, which shows you which calls are currently being handled by the agent. Click on the ear icon for the call you want to listen in on. A call card appears with the details of the call you're listening on. You can hold the listen in to handle an incoming call or make other calls from your phone if needed. To end the listen in, click the End Listen In button. That was all for this video. You now know how to use the Compass Bridge features.